Do you know that these end bad governance protests have exposed so many things, especially in APC and in the north? My wonderful people, come here. Oh, do you know that the vote you people they vote all these years, you are voting it with another country, which is the country is Niger. My people, things are happening for inside Nigeria. Wetin you never expect in your life, they happen. These people where you see where they carry Russian flag, one of this northern leader don't come outside, they come talk, expose themselves. They say these people are the people where we say during the election they will go call them in, make they come vote. And these people now come see say Russia don't help them to liberate themselves from the France and America. And these people now think they will help Nigeria as well by attracting the attention of Russia in Nigeria. That is the same people that come with Russia flag to join the people for North to protest. Or I don't see them. I said this protest don't expose so many things. Now the thing where this Lotan leader talk, I'm going to play the video. Don't forget to see there for Blabbergist. Please share and comment on the videos. Try to engage us by commenting and share so that other people go to get the information. My people, as that one they happen, they say that the IPOBs, which remember say some months ago they share corns to all farmers, natural organic corns to all farmers. Say may they go to farm. Those farmers now don't come back, come testify, say at least they can harvest many corns, and some are not even harvesting their own, but they show their farm and thanking the IPOB community. Say look at what they have done for them. No be smart, you know, my wonderful people. Port Harcourt people don't come outside, say that the protest will continue in Port Harcourt until this bad government change. As it dey happen now for they say the road wey connect Kano and Maiduguri. As we dey talk right now, they say that road don divide into two due to one dam wey pull. Na so the thing carry water go divide the road into two. So Maiduguri now and Kano, like say they don't divide though into two as it be like this now. Okay, my wonderful people, let's go and look all these videos and see what thing they happen for inside that area. Know why they bring this thing, so that you stay and also see what thing that they tell you say not true. Now so it take be. Now watch this video and hear what thing this northern leader talk.
Retracted back on course, not for the sake of Nigeria alone, but for the sake of Africa and humanity.
There is just in the line with what you are saying, there is something strange that that shows from this recent protest that Nigeria is witnessing. Surfacing of Russian flag in Nigeria. Does that mean that the northern people don't have trust in Nigeria again?
First of all, go back to history. This same country, Nigeria, unfortunately, from 1999 to date, there were incidences where neighboring countries of Nigeria were used in rigging election, which is worse than military coup. Rigging election, punishing the country, deceiving a country under the guise of democracy is one of the worst offenses any politician can commit to his country. It became a trend. Whenever election comes, some Nigerians were brought in to vote in Nigeria. Is that right? That is rigging. And part of those who are in government today were there as governors when it was happening, and they were part and parcel of mobilizing them and giving them ballot papers to vote. But they are not Nigerians. And today, that particular country you are talking about, a political situation has changed there in such a way that Russia as a country is playing a role of liberating the country. And the citizens of Nigeria are around. And I'm talking to you from what I have discovered. Those that are there believe at their own level of reasoning and thinking and education that if Russia could liberate their country the way they are feeling today secured, then they can as well do it in Nigeria. And so they exhibited that at their level. So now that they have done it, those who cause negligence in
I want you to also watch this video at the moment that the IPOBs show what the fruit they shared, the seed they shared to all members, not all everybody that get it, but the people that have gotten, the farmers that have gotten this thing have come aside to say that this is what they are harvesting from what the IPOB give to them. Just watch the video.
Good morning. This is my own farm. Ebe m kọrọ ọka. So onye dịchata ruo n'isi nke ọzọ. Ebe a niile. Anyị na-agakwa n'ime ị ga na-afụ ya. This is the place. This is the place. I na harvest dey harvest in less than 2 months now. And we are harvesting it. So that is it. Ebe a ka m kọrọ ọka nke m. Onye ka anyị a na-egbutecha. So if you saw onwe ihe na-atakashi bi, then abịakwa wee gbaa ya ọgwụ, gote ọgwụ gbaa ya. So anya bụ the farm a ka m nọ ihe a na na-eti gbago tie gbadata. Anya bụ ihe a. This is it. So no ya bụ farm nke m. Nyeta ebe anyị kwụ nke e nyetara ha. So o nwekwa other places ọ dịcha gbago like nke a ka kụrụ ọfụ. Nke a dịkwa nso. Nke a ka na-etokwa eto. So nke a bụ another farm fit. Nancy Kam. It's in the Trovia. Yes.
This is harvesting time. This is the corn. The one that is due for harvesting. Ka walker. In case there naka ndị shy. Ndị si na agụ ga-alarịrị n'obodo anyị. Ekele kelere m onye isi anyị Ọhamadike. Ekele kelere m the Directorate of States. Ndị niile ndị tinyere aka banyere a ga-esi ka a na-etinye ihe n'ala. Ka awụ ya bụ ọka. Otu aka ka m si ekenekwa the ESN n'ụzọ pụrụ iche. Ekene gachasịara ha. Ha nwa bụ ndị sanitizere ala anyị na Fulani lara n'obodo a. Ndị na-achị ehi lara n'obodo a ka anyị nwee ike itinye ihe n'ala. Ekele dịrị eke kere eluigwe n'ụwa eze Chukwu okike abịa ma onye pụrụ ime ihe niile, onye mere ka ọrụ a bụrụ ihe a rụrụ ma rụtakwa ya ihe. Ọ bụghị n'ike aka nke mmadụ kama n'ike aka eke kere eluigwe n'ụwa. Ndewonu.
Our people should try as much as possible to go back to farm. I've said it before. Make sure that you have a farm where you put something, because this one they see right now, it done red, it go soon blue. make sure say you get farm. If you have empty land, small place, tomatoes, onions, anything, begin to practice it in Alibo right now. We will never get any limit telling ourselves that this cannot grow in our land, this cannot grow in our land. We have gone out in that area. Anything you can imagine of can grow in our land. It's possible right now. So make sure you have something even in your backyard. I'm going to make a video. I will go to the house of Oyibo. I will go to this white people house to go and show you. I will travel for this thing and go and show you that these white people you are seeing, most of them that live in a compound or a house that has a small garden, they will put a small farm inside. Most of them don't buy tomatoes in the market. Most of them don't buy pepper in the market. Most of them do not buy vegetable in the market. It's what they source, what they get from their farm, they eat. So I'm going to make this video and show you people, and maybe I will do the video today or next tomorrow. I'll make sure that I show you these videos. My people, now let us watch what happen for with Kaduna and Maiduguri, with the road wey connect these two places. They say don't divide into two. Just watch the video. Okay, my wonderful people, I want you to also watch this video in Port Harcourt where they are telling people never to open anywhere. They must shut everywhere down in Port Harcourt. Just watch.
Along this area, all the boats selling around here will not work. Okay. That's so. Everybody will be shut down for tomorrow. That's so. Okay, already, you open your shop. Okay, take it out.
Guys, share this video and give us a follow, and make sure say you drop your own opinion in the comment section. Please engage our channel by commenting and sharing. Please, that's the only way you can support us. Thank you so much.
Welcome to the place where the news unfolds, where stories are told and the truth is gold. Barnabas Gist, we're your daily guide, bringing you the updates with nothing to hide. From the heart of the city to the world at large, we're keeping you informed as we take charge. With every headline and every fact, we're the pulse of the moment, no turning back. Barnabas Gist, where the news comes alive, keeping you in the know, helping you thrive. Current affairs straight to your screen, making our community stronger, that's our dreams. That's our dreams. When the world's spinning fast and you're feeling lost, we've got the latest, no matter the cost. From breaking news to the stories that matter, we sift through the noise, the truth's what we gather. You're never alone with us by your side. We're building a bond, a connection worldwide. For every update, big or small, we're here to deliver, answering the call. Barnabas Gist, where the news comes alive, keeping you in the know, helping you thrive. Current affairs straight to your screen, making our community stronger, that's our dreams. Channel, we're a trusted friend, keeping you informed right till the end. In every headline, in every word, your voice, your concerns will always be heard. Barnabas Gist, where the news comes alive, keeping you in the know, helping you thrive. Current affairs straight to your screen, making our community stronger, that's our dreams. That's our dreams. Yeah, that's our dreams. So tune in today and every day too. Barnabas Gist, we're here just for you. With every update, we're keeping you bright, making the world better together, we light. That's our dreams. When the world's spinning fast and you're feeling lost, we've got the latest, no matter the cost. From breaking news to the stories that matter, we sift through the noise, the truth's what we gather. We're never alone with us by your side. We're building a bond, a connection worldwide. For every update, big or small, we're here to deliver, answering the call.